welcome back to my channel. Sorry, that was terrible. I've been watching like movies with British accents all morning and now I'm annoying. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tana and welcome to my circus. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new here, hey, my name is Tana and welcome to the circus. It is almost Valentine's Day, which means it is our excuse to play with red eyeshadow, pink eyeshadow, purple eyeshadow, whatever. I mean, you can play with red eyeshadow as much as you want to, but on Valentine's Day, it's like extra acceptable. So we're gonna be playing with some red eyeshadow today. If you guys wanna follow along with my tutorial, drink a little bit of rosé while we do our eyeshadow, because rosé is the official Valentine's Day wine. I'm making it that. I'm dubbing rosé as the official Valentine's Day wine. Whatever. Otherwise, if this is something that you are interested, go ahead and stick around. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and we will go ahead and jump right on into the video. So I realize that like everything I'm wearing is like matchy right now. I have like a maroon shirt on, and my Jeffree Star mirror is maroon, and my hair is maroon. We are just like having a red vibe, maroon vibe today. So anyway, the palette that we are going to be using to do today's tutorial is going to be the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar Palette. I do know that he just announced that he is going to be putting this back out again. I believe on the 15th is, so the day after Valentine's Day, he is re-releasing his Blood Sugar, and there's also lots of rumors that he is making a Blood Sugar too, which I'm really excited about. This is an amazing palette. This is easily, hands down, still one of my favorite palettes. The colors work amazingly, and just the box, the palette in general is just aesthetically pleasing. It's beautiful. So anyways, if you have not yet gotten your hands on this, I highly suggest getting it when they go back on sale on the 15th. Even if you don't like red eyeshadow, it's just such a good collector edition, and it has these really sturdy latches on here, and then you open the guy up, and basically this is what all the colors look like in here. Beautimous. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and lay down a base. If you are looking at my face already, that kind of rhymed. I already have my foundation and my concealer and bronzer and all that stuff done. Eyebrows are on, so we just want to focus on finishing this with the eye look, lips, that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with putting down a base on my eyes, since I am going for more of like a bright pink, bright red. You know, on my skin color, it's very easy to lose colors on like deeper skin tones. Therefore, we have to lay down a little bit of a lighter base, actually a much lighter base. The lighter the better, the more that you can actually see the colors. So what we're going to be testing out today is going to be the P. Louise base. I've seen this all over social media. Everybody on Instagram has been using it, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and try this out and see how it works. I have not yet tried it, so I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, and we're gonna go ahead and just put it on to our eyelids using a flat concealer brush. And this one, by the way, is in shade 1. I know that their most popular shade is shade 2, but I didn't get that one. I got shade 1 because I wanted something that was very light. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and go on in. So it's very much a very light base, which is perfect because I want these colors to pop. So don't be too scared by what I am doing right now. And we're gonna go ahead and carve out the brow a little bit as well. Blending brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of smooth this out a little bit, get rid of all these harsh lines. Just like that. So we definitely have like a nice white base. So I'm using the brush here to kind of diffuse the edges, that way we don't have any crazy colors. It kind of blends seamlessly into the foundation and we don't have any harsh lines or anything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Alright, so we're looking all crazy with our white eye base. I'm actually going to take a little bit of tape and I'm going to go in and tape off my eyes here. I actually want to have like a nice kind of cut angled eye. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of just regular Scotch tape, or if you have the fancy stuff, go ahead and use that. It's all up to you. Alright, so we are all nice and taped off. So now we're gonna go ahead and start playing around with some of these bright colors. I'm gonna just start off bright, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is the color Cavity. It is this bright pink color. So we're gonna go ahead and take that on a nice blending brush, and we're gonna tuck that into the crease. This is gonna be our transition shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink, and we're gonna go ahead and just tuck it right here into the crease. it is going on bright and pigmented as expected. The P. Louise is definitely helping with like my skin tone, make a nice bright base so that the color pops a little bit more than it would on just my regular skin tone. Alright, so next what we're going to do is I'm going to pop into this color right here that's called Cherry Soda. It's a little bit of a deeper red, not a very bright red. I'm going to go ahead and take that on a little bit more of a dense, kind of a packing blending brush, and we're going to also pop this into the crease, being careful not to smoke it out as much as we did the pink. I'm going to go back in with that blending brush that we used to put down the pink, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blend this out here, get rid of any of these harsh edges. Alright, so next we're going to take a little bit more of a detailed blending brush, and we are going to go into this color right here that is called Fresh Meat. It is a very, very, very deep red. So we're going to take that, and we are also going to tuck this into our crease. Again, even closer to that crease line, making it a little bit more, making it a little bit more of a bolder line in here, making sure that we're not blending it very far up. Alright, so we're going to take a little bit more of that P. Louise base that I have on the back of my hand, and we're going to go ahead and carve out half of our lid right here in the front. And we're just going to go ahead and take the base, and we're just going to slowly just kind of carve this out. Our lid is all nice and cut out right here. We're gonna go ahead and take a nice dense kind of a packing brush. We are gonna go into the color Sweetener right here in the middle, which is this beautiful kind of a goldish peach shimmery color. So we're gonna take a little bit of this on a brush, and we're gonna go ahead and pack it on to the area that we just cut out. Alright, so now that I'm doing this, I'm not really liking the gold. I think I want something that's a little bit more like champagne colored. So I'm going to go find a champagne colored eyeshadow, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm actually going to pull out the Jeffree Star Alien palette. We're going to go into this color Interstellar, which is a little bit more of a champagne gold color. Yes, that's the color I'm looking for. Okay. That's the color I was looking for. So we have our champagne color down. We're actually going to go back into the Blood Sugar palette, and we're going to get a nice deep dark color just to kind of tie this all up on the outer edges. So I actually want to go into this color right here, which is Coma. It's kind of like a deep purple. I'm going to take this on a small blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and pack this on to the outer corner of my eye and just kind of blend it into this champagne that we put on our eyeballs. So this eye look is getting intense, but I like it. I normally don't do eye looks this intense, but you know, it's Valentine's Day almost, and I feel like I can do this if I want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop into just a nice nude color, like kind of close to my skin tone. I'm gonna pop it in up here just to kind of lighten this up so that we can get a little bit of our brow bone back. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with an eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Roller Liner. We're gonna go ahead and just do a simple wing, and we're gonna bring it on out. So here is my favorite part, this little magical part where we go ahead and rip the tape off and see what we came up with, which gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of blend out a little bit of the pink that got away from itself, like so. like that. Next, let's go ahead and do our under eyes so that we can bring everything together. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice little brush. I'm gonna dip into this color Cherry Soda right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and run that underneath my lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and take that blending brush that had a little bit of pink on it, and we're gonna go ahead and just blow this out here at the bottom. Also gonna take a little bit of black eyeliner and we're gonna line the bottom lash line. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara and some lashes and I will be right back. All right, we are back and we've got our lashes on. We're gonna go ahead and finish up this look. We're gonna go in and highlight the face. I'm gonna go ahead and take my tried and true, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics 24 Karat palette. We're gonna go in with a little bit of a mix of King Tut as well as Sarcophagus, and we're gonna use that to highlight the face. Alright, next, and for lips, we're gonna go in with a red lip. We're gonna go in the Jeffree Star Cosmetics lip shade in the color Designer Blood, which is kind of like Unicorn's Blood's deeper sister. A little bit more of a red than brown out of this one. And that is my full extra AF Valentine's Day look. We got a little bit crazy with some pinks and some reds. This is definitely not your everyday, like, don't wear this to work unless you have a work that like is okay with it. But overall, I'm pretty much pleased with this look. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button, as well as subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my other cool tutorials. Otherwise, that is it, you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.